Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open GMC Terrain with key, full guide. Start by locating and unfolding the physical key from your key fob, then insert it into the driver door lock and turn gently to the left to unlock. If the lock is stiff, apply WD-40 or graphite sparingly and work the key slowly until it releases. Always keep a spare key and inspect the lock for damage before forcing. Begin at the driver door with your fob in hand and the metal key exposed, then insert the key fully into the lock and turn it smoothly to unlock the door. If the lock resists, avoid forcing the key and spray a small amount of lubricant into the keyway, then try again. For frozen locks, warm the key briefly with a cloth before insertion. Always test the handle after turning to ensure the latch releases properly. To access the trunk, use the interior release or locate the external trunk key slot and turn the metal key to open. For passenger doors with manual cylinders, insert and turn the key as you would on the driver's side, taking care not to force a stuck lock. If the remote fob fails, rely on manual key entry for all doors and locks, and then inspect the fob battery later. Keep a dedicated spare key for emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.